Welcome back to Sophia's Passion for Cooking. I'm a host, Sophia. Today I'm making a tasty dessert using flattened red rice. In India we call it Payasam, but it's basically a rice pudding. But I'm going to add vermicelli and tapioca pearls to make it a little richer. You can eat this either warm or cold. Once you try it, you'll definitely want to make it again. Before I start, I just want to say a special thanks to you for your continuous support. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. And also hit the bell to see all my uploads immediately. Let's get started. This is red flattened rice. It's better than white rice in this recipe and healthier for you too. I'm using 1/2 cup. Here is a 1/2 cup of tapioca pearls. They are a really small size. You may use the bigger ones too. This is roasted vermicelli. I'm using 1/2 cup as well. I'm going to roast it again, but you don't have to. I'm going to roast each of these ingredients separately. In a frying pan, add red flattened rice on a medium flame and roast until it changes its color slightly. Set it aside in a bowl. Let it cool completely before we use it again. In the same pan, roast the vermicelli for a few seconds. Next, fry the tapioca pearls, which is also known as sabudana. In Tamil, we call it javvarisi. Fry until it pops and changes from clear to solid white. Don't let them sit. Keep them moving. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee in the same pan and fry some cashews and raisins on medium heat. Just like this, take it off from the heat. Put the vermicelli in a pan and add some water. Cover it and cook on medium heat until it becomes soft. While it cooks, I am going to grind the cool flattened rice. Grind it coarsely. In Tamil, we call it aval. They also call poha in Hindi. The vermicelli is done. Drain the water and set it aside. In the same pan, cook the tapioca pearls. Wash it a couple of times and add some water and cook till it becomes translucent. Drain the water and set it aside. Now let's cook the flattened rice. Add the flattened rice in a saucepan. Add enough water to cover. Into that, add a pinch of salt. Adding salt makes it more sweeter. Cover it and cook on low until it cooked well. Into that, add a cup of milk and give it a good stir. I'm using 2% milk and mix it well. Add cooked vermicelli and tapioca and let all the ingredients become well incorporated. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom powder and give it a good mix. Into that, add 1/4 cup of unsweetened condensed milk. I'm using condensed milk, but you may use maple syrup or sugar if you like. I do have a recipe for payasam with just vermicelli and tapioca. Check it out in the description box. Finally, add roasted cashews and raisins and turn the stove off. Optionally, add saffron and mix it well and let it stand for 5 minutes before you serve. Any leftovers can be put in the refrigerator and later served cold or reheated. This is perfect for parties or get together. thanks for joining. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Check out my other videos. Bye-bye.